Are you looking for a job? Can you upload pre-made YouTube videos to earn $190 per day? Here it is, a YouTube channel that's built a large following thanks to unboxing products on camera is looking for an extra pair of hands to help them upload their videos on time. You'll be responsible for uploading their video content to their YouTube channel. This position is only available to one person, so if you're interested, please apply right away. You get $35 to $50 per video, $190 per day. Click the link below to apply while this position is still available. This job is only available to people from your country. You need to have 3 hours a day, 3 days a week available to upload pre-made YouTube videos. A device that you can do this on, even a smartphone, will work, and a reliable connection to the internet. You'll be provided with basic training for the job, so it doesn't matter if you're completely new to this. If the 4-step process outlined above seems simple enough to you, then apply right away. Look, there's only one position available, and because you're from your country, you're perfectly positioned to fill it. So, please don't let this pass you by. Click the link below to apply now. My best wishes.